So it's that time of the year again where we all sit together and put our New Year resolutions. It can be reading books, eating healthy food, but basically trying to get our lives better and healthier. But certainly then it fails after the month of January. That's okay, we all have been there planning New Year resolutions and ending up with some and some not. Because सबने अपनी life में बहुत सारे resolutions लिखे होते हैं and we don't meet the 100% of them. It's okay because the most successful people also slip on their habits. But the main thing is to realize to get back on the track very quickly. That's how you get motivation. So this year, 2025, I am not gonna write my resolutions. What I'm gonna write is, let me show you. Honestly, I just love the feeling of the new year. It's so fresh, it's so energetic, and everyone is so motivated. I must be sure we are all very motivated with our new agendas and new goals in our life. But this time in 2025, not even 2025, every year हम जिस भी step करते हैं, जिस भी year में, we have a new goals and new agendas in life. So we want to make every year better than the last year. But we should also give ourselves little credit of the positive things that happen in 2024. So as per my perspective, we all should start with the things that we were not able to do in 2024. So first, list down all the things that were not possible due to some reasons in 2024 and you want to complete them in 2025. So my very first thing for making up for 2025 is the annual goal. But trust me, I'll not be going with the annual goal thing because I think annual goals don't work and it doesn't last for the entire year. Because अगर आपने, let's suppose, a list of annual goals आपने set कर लिया, but when you are in January, by the end of January or by the starting of February, you are like, oh shit, अभी तो हमारे पास पूरा 2025 है, let's be slow, let's be easy. So I think monthly or quarterly goals are good because you know whatever you have set for January, you have to do it. You don't have to wait for the entire 2025 year. And for this, your vision board will work a lot. For those of you who don't know what's vision board, basically vision board is like a big board and you can keep it anywhere. चाहे आप जहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हो, आप जहाँ पे जॉब कर रहे हो, work, like your workplace if you're working from home, or anywhere, like there is no specific place for vision board. वो आप वहाँ पे भी लगा सकते हो whenever you are waking up. It's the front thing, first thing on your front. So it can be any place. Basically, vision board is you can put pictures of the next destination you want in the year 2025. You can place the picture of your dream car, or you can write it. Whatever way you want to put it in words, you want to put in pictures, or whatever affirmations you want in life, just put it that way. And whenever you wake up, that's the first thing you see. It will build up that motivation to get that thing in your life. So basically, it's the constant reminder for you to build that goal, what you have written, and reach those goals that you have set for 2025. I really want to go back to reading. Trust me, when I was back in India before coming to Canada, I used to read a lot of novels. I was a big novelholic, I can say, because I used to finish a book in maybe 3 days. I swear I'm not lying on this. If you see my house back in Kashmir, back in Delhi, I have a full shelf of novels. And I don't know, जब से मैं Canada आई हूँ, maybe the time, I don't know what's the reason, I hardly finish a book. I used to get books from library in I think in summers I got some, but they are just lying here and there. I'm not able to finish. So this year I badly need to get back on the track with my reading schedule. I know 4 or 5 days में नहीं होगा जैसे पहले होता था, but I still try my best to get on reading because it's a very good thing. Maybe सोने से पहले 1 or 2 pages, or whenever I get time, maybe I get some motivational books which make me interesting to read more and more. So definitely this is my second to do. Trust me guys, the most important thing, I think it's not my thing, it's all over everyone's thing. I think we all should prioritize our health. and I have kept this as the first priority. I think the topmost priority in 2025. I want to build a very good lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, and which includes doing good exercise, eating clean food, home cooked food. I know all of you guys, and this is my problem as well. I cannot cook on Saturday, Sunday. I don't know, it's my problem or it's everyone's problem, because I think Monday to Friday I have cooked enough home food and I have cooked enough clean and healthy food. Now I want some pizza on Saturday. I know it's not a good thing, but this is what I need to improvise in 2025. It's not कि आपको बिल्कुल भी आप you cannot dine out, you cannot go to the restaurants, but I think we should balance it out. That's the most important thing. It's a problem also if you just cut all the restaurants or all the outside foods. It's also a problem, I think so. But the main thing is you have to balance it. If you're eating out, that's okay. If you're like, most of the time you should cook food at home. That's the most important thing. And I think मुझे ऐसे लगता है, for a working person, meal prep is the best thing you can do, because there are some times when you are so tired coming back home, you don't want to cook, so you order food. Because कोई option नहीं होता. This is what happens with me. Imran is coming from work, I'm coming from work. इतना ज़्यादा exhaust हुए होते हैं. We don't want to cook and we end up ordering food. So there helps the meal prep. So whatever you want to cook, just meal prep it on a Sunday, because obviously you're home. So that works a lot for me. So I think it can work for anyone watching me. So I think there are some things that everyone should include in their diet every single day, no matter what they are eating in their lunch or dinners. That are the fruits, whatever kind of fruits everyone like. Just eat one kind of fruit a day to keep you healthy, and I think this is giving you more nutrients. So I think one fruit a day is a necessary. So I think one more thing that's very important is keep healthy snacks in your home rather than keeping unhealthy stuff, because जब आपके घर पे वो चीज़ ही नहीं होगी जो आपको खाने का मन कर रहा है, it's always better to have the healthier option. So whatever you're craving for, at least you don't have it at home. So you have no choice, you will eat the healthy stuff. So I think that's the best thing that I do, and it works for me. If I buy a pack of chips, I have that thing in my mind and I'll complete it in one day. So it's better to not have it. So last but not the least, I really want to grow my YouTube channel. I don't want to keep on numbers that I want this subscribers, that subscribers, but I want to give the best content. And I know I'm not at that phase of having millions of subscribers, but I'll make sure to give the best content, and I have already listed a lot of videos for you guys. So you let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you'd like to watch. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video inspires you to make your goals today. So I think everyone's life is not figured out. We all are experimenting with our things every single day. Each day work is in progress. So stop procrastinating and start doing it today.